Hi everyone, welcome to the Tech Basis channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a Slack account. Slack is a popular communication and collaboration tools used by the teams and business worldwide. Go to the Slack app and tap on it. Press the button Get Started. Well, on the Slack homepage, you will see various options to sign up. You can go any option, but personally I recommend you to continue with Google. So press the continue with Google button. Now choose an account to continue with Slack and enter the account you want to sign in to continue to Slack. Now tap the button Next. Enter your password and tap it to the next button. Now click on the continue button. Now you are all set to start a new Slack workspace. So to create a workspace, tap on it. Now, enter the name of your company or a team. And now, you can invite a few of your teammates to Slack or skip and invite later. And I am going to skip and invite later. So, enter your project. Tap to the next button. So you will get the option to turn on notification or skip. So I would like to skip that for now. Once your account is set up, you can start using Slack to communicate with your team, join channels, share files and collaborate on projects. So press the button to see your channel in Slack. That's it. You have successfully created a Slack account and ready to start collaborating with your team. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.